Recent satellite imagery has unveiled China's construction of the Type 004, poised to become the world's largest nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, surpassing even the U.S. Navy's USS Gerald R. This development signifies China's escalating commitment to enhancing its naval prowess, reflecting broader geopolitical aspirations. The Type 004's advanced features and potential capabilities have garnered global attention, prompting discussions about its impact on international maritime dynamics. In this video, we delve into the specifics of the Type 004, exploring its technological innovations, strategic importance, and broader implications for global naval power balances. China's journey into aircraft carrier development has been both rapid and strategic, reflecting its ambition to establish a formidable naval presence. Over the past 2 decades, it has moved from repurposing decommissioned vessels to designing and building some of the most advanced carriers in the world. China's aircraft carrier program began with the acquisition of the decommissioned Soviet carrier Varyag in the 1990s and early 2000s. After extensive refitting and modernization, it was commissioned as the Liaoning Type 001 in 2012. Serving primarily as a training vessel, the Liaoning enabled the growing shipbuilding capabilities. It was also the first carrier entirely built in China, demonstrating the country's ability to construct large warships without reliance on foreign People's Liberation Army Navy to gain essential experience in carrier operations. It provided the necessary foundation for developing indigenous aircraft carriers while allowing China to refine carrier-based aviation tactics. Building on Liaoning's foundation, China launched its first domestically constructed carrier, the Shandong Type 002, in 2017, which entered service in 2019. While bearing similarities to its predecessor, the Shandong incorporated several enhancements, including improved radar systems, greater operational efficiency, and increased aircraft capacity, signaling China's designs. The launch of the Fujian Type 003 in 2022 marked a significant technological advancement for the plan. As China's first carrier equipped with an electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS, the Fujian allows for more efficient aircraft launches compared to traditional steam catapults. EMALS technology improves launch efficiency and allows heavier aircraft, including early warning planes and advanced fighter jets, to operate from the carrier. However, despite these improvements, the Fujian remains conventionally powered, requiring frequent refueling and limiting its ability to sustain long-term operations far from China's coastline. The Type 004 is poised to incorporate several cutting-edge technologies, positioning it as a formidable asset in modern naval warfare and a direct competitor to U.S. Ford-class carriers. With its massive displacement, nuclear propulsion, and state-of-the-art launch systems, this carrier represents the most significant leap in China's naval history and a crucial step toward long-range power projection. A defining feature of the Type 004 is its nuclear propulsion system. This advancement grants the carrier virtually unlimited operational range, constrained only by crew endurance and maintenance requirements. Nuclear propulsion not only extends deployment capabilities but also provides the necessary power to support advanced onboard systems, such as electromagnetic catapults, EMALS, advanced radars, and potentially directed energy weapons like railguns or laser-based defenses. Recent satellite imagery has confirmed the development of a land-based prototype reactor at Base 909 near Leshan, Sichuan Province, suggesting that China is actively testing the feasibility of nuclear propulsion for large surface warships. Building upon the advancements of the Fujian Type 003, the Type 004 is expected to feature an enhanced EMALS system, offering greater efficiency and flexibility. Unlike steam-powered catapults, EMALS enables the precise control of launch power, allowing for a broader range of aircraft, including heavier models, electronic warfare aircraft, and long-range drones. This will expand the carrier's operational versatility, making it capable of supporting next-generation air operations with improved launch rates and fuel efficiency. EMALS also places less mechanical stress on aircraft frames, reducing maintenance needs and extending the service life of carrier-based jets. Beyond aircraft operations, the Type 004 will likely feature a new generation of radar and sensor technologies, enhancing its situational awareness, electronic warfare capabilities, and missile defense systems. Reports indicate that China is also developing integrated command and control AI, which could improve decision-making in high-intensity combat situations. Additionally, the carrier may incorporate an advanced missile defense system, possibly integrating laser or railgun technology in future iterations to counter hypersonic threats. If successfully implemented, the Type 004 will redefine China's aircraft carrier doctrine, closing the technological gap with the US and altering the balance of naval power in the Indo-Pacific and beyond. The introduction of the Type 004 carries significant strategic implications, reshaping regional security dynamics and altering the global balance of naval power. As China moves toward deploying a true blue-water navy, nations worldwide are reassessing their defense strategies and maritime security postures. The deployment of the Type 004 is poised to alter the security landscape of the Indo-Pacific region. Nations such as Japan, India, Australia, and South Korea may perceive this as a direct challenge to regional stability, potentially accelerating their naval modernization programs. This could lead to an increased presence of U.S. allies in the South China Sea, further intensifying maritime disputes. Additionally, a nuclear-powered carrier with extended operational range gives China greater influence over key maritime trade routes, from the Strait of Malacca to the Pacific Islands, raising concerns for nations reliant on freedom of navigation and secure shipping lanes. The Type 004 also serves as a symbol of China's expanding military-industrial complex. Its successful construction highlights China's ability to mass-produce advanced warships at a pace unmatched by Western nations. The combination of nuclear propulsion, advanced carrier-based aviation, and next-generation defense systems showcases China's technological prowess, potentially influencing global defense markets. Emerging powers, particularly in the Middle East, Africa, and South America, may look to China as an alternative military supplier instead of relying solely on Western defense contractors. Beyond military strategy, the Type 004 has significant geopolitical implications. It provides China with the capability to project power well beyond its regional sphere of influence, opening the door for future carrier strike group operations in the Indian Ocean, Mediterranean, and even the Atlantic. This expanded reach could lead to closer military cooperation between China and Russia, or joint naval exercises with strategic partners like Pakistan and Iran, further challenging Western maritime dominance. China's development of the Type 004 aircraft carrier marks a monumental leap in naval capabilities, reflecting the nation's determination to assert its maritime presence on the global stage. As this project progresses, it will undoubtedly influence strategic calculations, defense policies, and naval developments worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, spaceinews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.